I've been in your waters. I came for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
Welcome to another road trip. I am kind of lost in the middle of the Karoo. That is Seweweekspoort Pass. For those of you who don't speak Afrikaans, 7-week pass. There's like 7 stories around how it got its name. My favorite one is there were some cattle thieves that disappeared into the mountains. Took them 7 weeks to find them. Cool story, I'll go with that one. There are 2 roads here. There is that one that takes you into the actual pass, and there is that one, where is it? Over there somewhere there. That takes you to a dam. That one has no thoroughfare, so it'll literally drive there, drive back, and then we'll have to do this pass to get to the other side of the mountain. So let's do the dam, and then we'll do the pass, and it's really hot out here. Okay, so this is not what I was expecting. Private nature reserve gates. I'm just like not in the mood to go jawling in there for an hour or 2 only not to find anything. So I'm gonna head back and just take the through road that drops me off in Zoar. And apparently that's a pretty road anyway, so let's go do that. Can I just give a shout out to this Caravelle? It has been absolutely fantastic on these dirt roads. It really, really has. Okay, so we are in the middle of this gorgeous pass. I mean, it's just, the mountains are stunning. They got that typical sort of fold in it. I mounted the Fusion on the front of the Caravelle. Let's see if that works. It's probably going to fall off and wreck the camera. But at this point, anything for the shot, right? Okay, so no, that was a dumb idea and didn't work out at all. So first of all, the pole like flopped down. There's just too much weight at the end. None of those joints are strong enough. Tried that, but it's just too wobbly, man, too wobbly. Okay, so what we'll do instead is just handheld, send it a bit further out the window. Gives me a bit more, gives me a bit more control over the angle. Nothing quite like stabilizing a camera with your arm. So there seems to be some storm clouds rolling in. I heard a bit of thunder, the odd droplet here and there. I imagine that if it starts raining in here, so as the road's getting super dirty, it'll be so incredible. So I'm actually going to head back out to the outside of the pass and then see if we can catch the rain and then drive back. So there is a smattering of rain. Like, it's been 35-ish degrees the entire afternoon I've been here. Temperatures like literally just dropped by 5 or 6 degrees. Got that like rain smell to it. These absolutely gorgeous mountains. This is phenomenal. This is so cool. Okay, here we go. This is starting to rain a little more vigorously. It's that smell of like fresh rain on warm soil is just incredible. With these views, and this is one of the best drives I've like ever had. And that, ladies and gentlemen, wraps up Seweweekspoort Pass. It was gorgeous. I could caught in the rain. It's raining on that side of the mountain, not on this side of the mountain. So we're back up to, wow, 38 degrees as we come into a little town called Zoa, which has like 9 people and no horses. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed any of that, it would be awesome if you click the subscribe button below. It means a lot to me. Thanks for watching.